Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra not printing. If you want to fix the issue, then here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where the people spread their opinion regarding this. This is the problem, Saturn 3 Ultra not printing at all. These are the people's opinion and solution. One people says that clean the recent tank and re-level it before each print. Check if there is any foreign matter in the recent tank and stir the recent. So this is the first thing you need to consider is to clean the recent tank and re-level it. Another people says that every single time I had a failed print, it was either not enough support, some sort of suctioning effect happening. Change resin using more viscous resin but not compensating for the viscosity in the setting. Or I needed a new film. Every time I clean the wet, I level just in case. So this thing you need to consider is to clean the resin tank and re-level it. Hopefully after your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.